In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Eraser tool on TradingView. If your chart is starting to feel crowded with lines, shapes, and indicators you've experimented with, the Eraser tool is the quickest way to tidy things up without hunting through panels or menus. I'll walk you through exactly where it is and how to use it so you can clean your chart with just a few clicks. First, look to the left side of your TradingView chart. You'll see the main vertical toolbar running down the screen. At the very top of that bar is the first icon. Go ahead and click that first icon. It opens a small set of cursor options that control how your mouse behaves on the chart. Inside that cursor options menu, you'll find the Eraser tool. It's the option designed specifically for removing what you've added to the chart, like drawings and applied indicators. Select the eraser from that menu to activate it. You'll know it's selected when your pointer changes to reflect the eraser mode, letting you know you're ready to clean up. Now that the eraser is active, using it is simple. Just click on any indicator or shape you've added to the chart to remove it. That includes trend lines, rectangles, text labels, arrows, and other drawing tools, as well as indicators you've applied. One precise click on the item will delete it from your chart. It's a direct, visual way to clear clutter quickly without opening separate settings or hunting for individual objects in a list. A couple of helpful notes as you click. The eraser targets items you've placed or enabled, not the underlying price candles or data. That means you won't accidentally change price history or your chart's instrument by using it. If an object doesn't disappear, make sure you're clicking directly on the item itself. Thin lines or small labels can be easy to miss, so a steady, precise click usually does the trick. If you're removing an indicator, remember that clicking it with the eraser takes that entire indicator off the chart or pane. This is particularly useful when you've layered several studies and want to get back to a clear view fast. That's all there is to it. Click the first icon on the left bar to open your cursor options. Choose the Eraser tool, and then click any indicators or shapes you've added to remove them. It's a quick, clean way to reset your workspace so you can focus on the price action that matters.